Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm a endodontist from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still love endo like I do, because today I'm going to share with you another clinical case report of a single visit endo in mandibular second molar with severe canal curvature. And I'm barely able to finish this case in a single visit because I had a file breakage. Yes, I was unable to navigate my file to go passing through the canal curvature. That's why my files broke. Not one but two file broke. And in this video, I put also a footage of me remove the files afterward. So guys, endo has never been easy. So you have to be ready if you face the file breakage during your operation, and you have to know also how to remove the files afterward. And I hope that this video is useful for you when you are dealing with such cases. And if you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram account, because I will reply your DM as soon as possible. See you in my next clinical case video. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.